Good morning again. I'm Rolly Managum, one of the co-chairs. I'm just going to give a quick recap on what happened yesterday and what we did. The morning commenced with a grand entry, a very beautiful grand entry. Then we went into the water ceremony. A beautiful ceremony and beautiful songs by the women that were singing and drumming. And then we honored Autumn Pelche as she became the water commissioner for the Anishinaabe Nation. We commenced with opening addresses by the Grand Council Chief and now the Deputy Grand Chiefs. We had a motion to accept the co-chairs, which is to my left here, Nora Soye. The agenda was accepted with some changes, and we started business with the corporate session on the audited financial statements. Began by motion to open up, and then we accepted via motion, and then we also made a motion to accept KPMG to commence audit for next year. We closed that business, and then we carried on to open new business in regards to the AN7GC, the Anishinaabe 7 Generations Charity. Financials were given again by KPMG, and they were again identified to carry on the work to be the auditors for next year by motion, and then we closed the corporate session. We then started the OFNLP. The address given in the presentation by Patrick Midabi. His nomination to appoint Pat to carry on this work for another year. We then went into Sovereign Wealth Board. Again, Patrick gave a presentation on that. There was a motion to accept the financials there, and then Pat again was nominated and to carry on that same work for another year. We broke for lunch. After lunch, we had various speakers come in and talk to the Anishinaabe government agreement. The Grand Council Chief opened up, and then we had presenters Jide Efalabi, Dave Shawana, and Martin Baer. There were various questions by the chiefs moving forward with the agreement, and at the end of the day, the questions were addressed and that they go back and review some of the outstanding work they believe still needs to be done. We then had another break, and then the chiefs came in and did a circle until late last night. So that recaps what we did yesterday. We're going to move forward today with today's agenda. Again, it's a very busy schedule. But before that, I just want to wish a very happy birthday to my co-chair who's celebrating her birthday today, Nora. And with that, I'll get her to take over here.
Bonjour. Good morning. Bedajman Kwan, Dishnakaz, Alderville, Nishnabek, Lodjwa. Jamie Gwatch. Yeah, it's hard to be 39, but somebody's got to do it. So anyway, we're going to start the Kaganaswan launch opening this morning. We're very fortunate to have this launch. And before we do that, and we announce have our Grand Chief come up, we're going to have a drum opening song by the Rain Dance Singers. So if they could come forward and do the song. And just a word, I was told this morning that the vendor outside will be leaving at lunchtime. If anyone has any last minute shopping they want to do, then please see the vendor before lunchtime. So miigwech drum.
Miigwech nikirime gabidashit irinijnikas gaktodem. This song is for all the children and the grandchildren. We're thanking Creator for our children, thanking Creator for His children, and we're caretakers of them. That's the first verse. And the thunder beings watch over them. And the second verse is for thanking the Creator for our grandchildren, His grandchildren, and we're caretakers, and the thunder beings watch over them. With that, we say miigwech for having us here today. Miigwech.
Gee, Miigwech. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful songs. So, I guess we're gonna start by having our Grand Council Chief come up and do some opening remarks.
Miigwech Nora. Bonjour. Gwengons, na snabe no zwin bumme don. Getchia, kudem na ma no zwin. Mina miigwech kudin nim kana. Kimin gash kaikshinda, kana wen ching. Mandi am de mentionde. Nana guia take. The mawe, the ha migek pi, the endam. Nimen na keen, come down ash in the nagui, Minash one on mengnunga. Keget wook the skit mame. We knock den mind the no jiminanek. Chinago gibig nonek basic que. Kego gapishev thought Chinago. Queen moon wet god nungo ki shang geek. Die Spitzschuhe wussten mir now in Admosiang, Gdanad Magenogo, wo the Gagia in deck, abdeckend na. Me manden je, Nango, and Nak Maxing Shenda, me got Nakwe. General Bangishang again go quick, it Nimnash and Dach, Queen Nak Maxim Nango Sheba. Good morning, everyone. I want to convey my thanks as a parent, grandparent, your grand chief. This morning is very special to everybody. I look in the middle here. Lot of work, lot of years. To be asked, are we moving forward? Well, we certainly are. We certainly are. We have people, past leaders, today and tomorrow. Are we moving forward? We're moving. I think we're moving a little bit quick on this, and that's awesome. A woman whose sister was murdered 1990 called me yesterday because the murdered woman left 4 kids behind. And they got into somehow apprehensions were made yesterday, I guess, or last couple of days. She said, I'm just calling you. That was this morning. I'm calling you just to let you know. Still happening today. If I need you, if I need the Nishnabek, Union of Ontario Indians, can you help me? I said, we will. That's a no-brainer. That's what this is all about. So, chiefs, I ask all of us and the workers, frontline workers, call us. Let's call each other. Especially if we're talking about our future. This is it. These are our kids here. And that call still happening yesterday. A lot of people don't believe that. So, and if there's someone outside or a message from me to here and outside, call us. Call us. That's what we're here for. So with that, like I said, I'll keep it brief. I congratulate everybody, every one of us here. Everyone. And I know there are a lot more could be here. Chief Irene Cows, her family, or her tribe couldn't be here. Her husband passed away, and those of you that haven't heard yet, so their service is tomorrow. So our thoughts and prayers to Chief Cows and her community for her husband's passing. And those are the kind of things that are tragic. And again, we pulled together. Because Chief Cows is one of, again, all of us. She went through all of this, what we're going to experience here this morning, herself, personally. So again, with that, Chimmy Gwech, that's so awesome, believe me. And the words, we don't have enough words. So again, congratulations on this big, big step. This is a milestone for us. Miigwech.
Miigwech, Grand Chief. Next, I'd like to call up Ogama Duke Pelche. He's the Social Development Leadership Council portfolio holder.
No applauses today, I guess. Miigwech, Niconem Kenawia, Nigan Wasaganabet Geni Dijanakas, Quando dem, Nimki Beneshigem Benatamak, Mandawinaki Geni, Mampi, Get Kamek Wasea. Kinawia, den Mikonem, Nangwa Mampi, me Manjiding, Mandawi, Nakmigzing, Benonjiakje. Abjagay Chipi Tenda, what Manda Eschigang, Keen we dopneming, Moshkin, we not moik, Kinawa Benonjim Nanik. We will gay. Mig ni abadek ni mig wetchwak nandak gan gumwijik. Mem de gagwana when the gumwas gana cause what gainwa. Jajagi win the magiok mia et minge. Gejemne do ki min go nam benojim nanik. Nimki Beneshi, Nagden Mark, Benojim Nanik. Vijemnedo, Kimin Gona, Benojim Nanik. Nimki Beneshi, Nagden Mark, Noshem Nanik. Ich bin Sastemike, mi waje, Wondin Ming, Mia waje Naking, Mampi. En dan mikkonem dus kunnen we hebben je minno kajeba wat mi wetchwin dem ge wilm de ma mampi na wing ja begin in wen de causing gajem gejem na doga min going em de ge wana on de pogen meganak Kinuk Shigego, as a mean going, me o gay, abdek win a causing, mapi win a win madzing. Me watch when them this gay, you know, gemak. Mapi gay, you know, we question that thing. Me watch while game, gema mapi engine a kit, chimmy watch gay in the nin. Menash gay, kino one the schnabek, Kabazayejik. We know the meek, Mampi and Kamagok. After Geni, Mami Quendam gay, Izagiat, Benojiak, or the Squang Nani Buok Megwa. As in Sustama, long leg given Jabauk. Migwatch when them gay, you know, Izagiak. We know the meek, meow when the Schnabek was Edgegat. Den me kok des gay noa en atmagejik chigamanang Canada and Ontario gay ma people bayat Minash gay en ki taigejik in the Schnabek nation ik chinakiok manda we jejigang migwetch in the na Adrian Minakinawi en ki taigeje. So good morning, everyone. I'm Gima Duke Pelche. Have been the portfolio holder for social and child welfare for the Nishnabeg Nation for the last 7 years or so, and I'm very happy to be here, standing in front of you, because this is the culmination of a lot of the work that was started even before I became portfolio holder. And I bring greetings on not only on behalf of myself, but the Leadership Council And I have to thank all the chiefs and especially the chief of Georgina Island here and you and your community and council for welcoming all of us to have this very special and historic event with the launch of Kogonaswin. And I do have to thank the singers for singing the song. It is a special one, especially when you truly understand the words of the song. And that's where, I know there was an explanation prior to the song, but if you truly understand those words, you'll feel it deep in your heart on what our purpose is as leaders in our communities. Because we were gifted with children and grandchildren from the Creator. And we also know that if we walk in the way that, in the instructions that were given to all of us when we get onto earth, we know that there are those spirits that will be helping us along the way. And because it is still spring, that's when we usually welcome those Thunderbirds back into our territories. And those Thunderbirds bring that new life back to our people after the long winter. And that's what that song speaks about. That the Creator gifts us with children. And that is what we're celebrating here today. We're celebrating that we've never relinquished any jurisdiction over our children. And we're restoring that responsibility back into our families through our work in developing this child well-being law, so that none of the children have to get removed from our communities anymore, and that we're pledging as leaders to continue to work in the prevention aspects to restore that balance into our families, to make sure that the children grow up in the best possible way that we know that we can do. And we're doing this together. So I have to thank our partners with the federal and provincial governments for coming together and being here to witness the launch of Kogonaswin. I have to thank all the families that are here, that came to witness, all the children that have come in from different parts of the Anishinaabe Nation, and especially the ones that have come in from Long Lake. So you should give them a great big round of applause for witnessing this. And I believe also there were some children from Pic-Mobert and also probably from this community. So Chimigwech for being here. So as one of our partners, Indigenous Services Canada, we do thank them for providing the resources to allow us for implementation of our laws, and especially with this law. And we want to thank all the leaders who have provided their support through resolutions to enact the child well-being law and to support this unified approach to ensure that our children receive the best possible starts in our communities and with their families. So that with this, I want to say Chimigwech to everyone for all of their hard work, and especially to the Anishinaabe Nation staff, Adrian and your staff there, for continuing that hard work of pulling the weight to get our leaders and our communities to this point of taking and restoring that responsibility back and removing the interferences from the governments that have been in place for many, many years. And I think this is a wonderful start, and what a wonderful day to have this launch for Kogonaswin. And I want to say Chimigwech for allowing myself to be one of the spokespeople on behalf of all the Anishinaabe Nation here, leaders. So Chimigwech.
Miigwech, Gima, Duke Pelche. Before we carry on a little more, we have a message from our Minister O'Regan, and I didn't catch your name. Michael, come on up, please. Thank you.
Hello. So my name's Michael O'Byrne. I'm the Associate Regional Director General for Indigenous Services in Toronto. You probably know my more famous boss, Ann Scotton. So I work with her. So I'm here to bring greetings on behalf and a welcome message and congratulatory message from Minister O'Regan. But first, I'd like to thank everyone for the invitation, thank the Chief, acknowledge the sacred objects that are in front of us today. But before I read the Minister's message, I just wanted to acknowledge Adrian Pelche and Tracy O'Donnell. It's been a real honor and pleasure to support you in this journey. It's been great. It's been you hold us to account. We just want to do everything that we can to support you, and it's been a real privilege to have been able to be on this journey with you and to continue with you. So I just wanted to thank you for that. I'll read the minister's message, and Grand Chief, you'll get the hard copy sent to you. But dear Grand Chief Council Chief Hare, I would like to extend sincere congratulations to the Anishinaabe Nation on the 2019 Grand Council Assembly and celebration of the Anishinaabe Nation Child Wellbeing Law, Koganawasan, today at the Chippewas of Georgina Island First Nation. This significant milestone is a culmination of nearly 10 years of hard work and dedication and marks a special and historic day for the youth and families of your communities. I am truly inspired by the hard work and commitment you and other Anishinaabe Nation, First Nation chiefs and leaders have shown. I commend all of you for your dedication, vision, and leadership in the development of the Anishinaabe Nation Child Wellbeing Law, the well-being of children, and your work with Indigenous partners to reform Indigenous child and family services remain among the government's most important priorities. This is your day, your Children's Day, and a day of hope for your community's future. While I am unable to attend this year's assembly due to a heavily committed schedule and my duties in the House of Commons, I am pleased that Mr. Michael O'Byrne, that's me, RDG Ontario Region, will attend on my behalf. Again, please accept my heartfelt congratulations, and I wish you a productive and enjoyable event. Sincerely, the Honourable Seamus O'Regan. Thank you.
Miigwech. Please give our best wishes to the minister. Next, we're going to have opening remarks by Indigenous Wellbeing Director Sarah Caldwell.
Good morning. Thank you for the invitation. Minister McLeod wishes she could have been here today. And before starting, thank you, Grand Chief, for the invitation, the community for the invitation, and I'd like to acknowledge the sacred objects that are in the room. It feels, Adrian, really good to be here today. We've been talking about this for so long, and about 18 months ago it started to become more real when you came to a meeting and announced it had a name. It was Koganawasan, and to be here today and to start seeing it really become real and to have everybody involved in what has mostly been happening in meeting rooms is really exciting. So for Ontario, we're really thankful to be here and to start seeing this come together. And for the Anishinaabe Nation's commitment that we see every day to the well-being of its children and the future for them, it really is inspiring and so exciting to be a part of. So I thank you all for that. Your leadership as a nation is continuously on display, and your tireless advocacy for your children. I know the implementation of the child wellbeing laws of utmost importance to you and your members, and launching Koganawasan today is a major milestone on that path. So congratulations for that. I know our work together is not done yet, but the team at the ministry and the minister. We're committed to that work going forward, so thank you.
Miigwech, thank you so much, Sarah. So next, we're going to have some exchange of gifts, and I'd like to call on Goma Duke Pelche. Please, come up, please.
Miigwech, so we do have a small little gift here for our Grand Council Chief, so I'd like to ask Grand Council Chief Glenn Hare to come up and accept the gift on behalf of the team working on Kokonaswin.
It's warm. What is it? Let's melt it. What's your gift? So do I gotta pop all these first? Well. Still not. Where do you put? My first bow tie in my whole life. I said I wouldn't be caught with a tie.
Miigwech. Now, Grand Council Chief, if you could come, yes, it's your turn, please. You should have a gift somewhere. Okay.
So I also have a gift here. I hope it's the same that I got. And it's to our Deputy Grand Council Chief Joe Mishkokman. Come on up. Camera, please. How's this tied up? Jealous? Okay. You gotta open it, you gotta open it.
This is the nose that goes with the tie.
You gotta open it, it's got a camera there. Oh, it's not a bow tie. We can trade, you know. Open it.
I'm scared of
No trade.
no trade.
Did you post? Okay.
You're next. You might as well stay up here.
Well, I'm next.
Yeah. That's Sarah Caldwell.
Yeah, to her, eh?
Yeah, you're giving her something.
Yeah. Okay, so this next one, so I don't know what I'm giving you, Sarah. So if you can come up, please. Hey? As soon as we're done, this comes off, you know. So, yes, come back. You gotta open your here, huh? There you go. Same as Georgia. Duke. You know, this goes the next presentation to Gima Pelche. Just real quick, you know, when Gima, because it's the social portfolio and on what we're witnessing here today. Chippy 10 megas am abigima, Kenan would be get. Topanen Madabiang, a wapski, Jigego, un chut to Mabapane. Panogum come a quen me go mema, mem 4,000 goche. So me got check the nan again and go kina. You know, Gima Duke is surely respected across the nation by all government. When we walk in, when he walks into all our tables, the tables to make this happen today, they do respect him. They stand up and they welcome him. Because he is our voice, he's a strong voice for our children. So I want to say Jimmy Wedge to you, Gima, for all your, and we pick up the phone and, yeah, I guess so, this other one can wait. He said, I'll be over. That's the kind of stuff we have to do most of the time for when our people call us. That we are there and they rely on us and they depend on us, and we've been on that road. So with that, Gima, Mambagegi. Same thing, same trade. Oh no. Oh no. Put it on, put it on, put it on. Ta-da. Oh! Hey, show them. That's nice. But there's no bow tie in it. That's it? Okay.
Oh, miigwech for all the presentations, and I want to say my heartfelt thanks to all the committee and Adrian and everyone for all the hard work to bringing this far. It's been years in the making, and Adrian's like that little chihuahua that keeps nipping and gets things done. And that's how I see Adrian, and I just want to say I feel so honored to have worked with you and blessed you and have you take this lead and push to get where we are. So without further, I'd like to welcome our Director of Social Development, Adrian Pelche.
Bonjour. I'd like to start with honoring all the children and the youth and the families that came from a long way. I know Northern Superior is well represented in this room today. We have children and youth from Long Lake 58, Pick Mulbert, Pick River, Chimiwech, Gabajine, to witness this historic event, and also to let you all know that you're going to carry on this work on our behalf. You're going to be the leaders. You're going to make sure that Koganaswin and the child well-being law continues for all the Anishinaabe Nation. That's going to be your job. So I'm so happy you came and to bear witness. I want to thank all the leadership for their support and their ongoing support in the implementation of the Anishinaabe Nation Child Wellbeing Law. Koganaswin is the implementation arm of the law. The law is now invoked in 19, maybe even 20 of our First Nations. We're just getting confirmation on the other BCR. And we will continue to come to your communities and explain what the law is and what it isn't. We'll be pleased and honored to come as many times to do community presentations, to do chief and council presentations until you understand what this is. When we, about a year and a half in, when we started on this journey in 2008, Grand Chief Glenn Hare was supporting the children and the youth. Everyone kept saying it was going to take 20 years to get this done. and I don't have 20 years. So, you know, I went back and, you know, I pondered things. It was I remember it was in the middle of the winter when, oh, actually I was looking for this talking stick. It's right here. In the middle of the winter, I realized that I needed to go fasting, you know, to start this. I'm sorry if I keep messing up your microphones here. That it was going to be a difficult journey. So I made that personal commitment, and I went fasting in Temagami. And that's where, you know, we started in ceremony. And we're going to have a giveaway in a little while to thank you and honor you for attending this historic event for the nation. I want to thank all the Child Wellbeing Working Group members that are here to bear witness as well. I thank you for coming. Manitoulin Island, there's people from my community, Wikwemkong. We got people from Shagwenda, Wanapate. Just scanning the room really quickly here. Janong, our Ontario children's lawyer, is here to bear witness as well. It's a very, very good day. Very good day. I'm very happy. I think I'm going to leave it at that. You know, there were some really good words spoken by our leadership. And I look forward to working my whole team. I want to thank my team. And of course, Tracy O'Donnell, if you'd stand up in the back of the room. Tracy has been with me on this journey from the very, very beginning. You know, she supported the social department when we had no money. We didn't have money to do all this. I used to catch rides with her on the ROJ train. So I just wanted to acknowledge Tracy, her dedication. She's just as dedicated as I am. We walk side by side. I want to thank my team, the social development team. We're actually growing. They're all in throughout the room. You know who they are. They work very, very hard. My whole department, we're in service to the 66,000 citizens of the Anishinaabe Nation, and I remind them of that every day. I say, it's not about you, it's about the people. We're in service to the people. That's what we do. So our hearts and our minds are in a good way, in a good place. And Chimiigwech Kinewea. Aho. Giveaway time.
Can you bring your kids up now?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. So we'd like to invite all the children and youth up for the giveaway. And I think, Adrian, are you going to facilitate that? Okay. All the children and youth, come on up. You want to go up, Gima? So if we could also have the elders up, please. All the elders come to the center for a gift giveaway. Come on, Joel. Come on, don't be shy. You know who you are. Some of you chiefs might be elders too. I'm not naming anybody, but. Come on, elders. If there's more elders, please come up. Okay, next we'll have all the adults in the room. Please come up for the giveaway. Don't be shy. Joe Muskokoman.